we're gonna have a quick walk around, show you different various machines, boxes I have, what tools I do use, stuff that's mainly storage right now, since this is also the garage for the family. This is all a work in progress, just like everything else. Over time, I'm going to make it better. I'm going to come up with different ideas for tool organization, storage, make workflows better. We're going to get this done. I hope y'all enjoy. All right, well, let's stop the tour out. This is my rolling box that I use to keep all my Shapeoko CNC stuff in. Got my spare belts, V-wheels, all spare parts. Gotta have everything to mark. Set, extra spare bits, everything that I need. There's the Shapeoko XXL. This is our first one that we bought, and this is what really started all of this. It's been a wild ride. There's my welding table. Sadly, it is just used as a storage table now because I cannot weld here. So just go on through here. Here's the shop vac system that we use for dust extraction on the Shapeoko. Got our bandsaw. Got some epoxies. Gonna be trying something a little different. Been doing a little clean out stuff. I love Harbor Freight. Do not buy this drill. This was just something that I saw on sale. It's not worth it. Paint storage. Lord knows we use plenty of it. This is my big blue box that my grandfather gave me from his years in fabrication work. I use it to house most of my layout tools, most of my squares and everything. This right here houses most of my other tools. Just got that for Christmas. My storage rack. It's got my planer, miter saw, various other tools that I have. Heater definitely comes in handy right now during winter time because I cannot stand the cold. My drill press that got damaged and moving. No worries, just a broken bracket. I just haven't got around to fixing it. This is our second Shapeoko. This one we're going to use mainly as a laser and a backup. So I'm ready to get that one up and running. There is my table saw. This is actually a contractor's job site saw, but it does what I need. That's my tubing bender, Rogue Fab tubing bender, awesome machine. Can't use it right now. Welder's over at my parents' house. This is my rolling pegboard wall. It's probably one of my favorite things that I've built as far as shop organization. Got all my grinders, on the levels. Best thing you can do. These are worth the money. They go on sale for like $10. Grab you 3 or 4 of them. 2, 3, 4 of them. That way you have one with a flat disc, one with a cutting wheel. And this one right here, this is my heavy duty rat tail style. Take off material. We'll have a video on that. Basically, that's just storage over there. That's my big industrial bandsaw that I got. I have 2 engines and a transmission under that bench. Intake, everything's going to be used on the Regal. It's our drying rack. Best to hold parts. There's actually a sign for our youngest daughter. It's a pretty cool little thing. I'll make a post about it. This is my most used table. Just, I guess because of the height, so I mounted a vise on it. It's the most usable table. This is a dust collection box that I've made. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, but I've got an idea. I've been looking up on the way stuff flows with airflow to get dust extraction. I got an idea, hopefully make it more efficient. Here's my contractor's air compressor that I have to use because I can't run 220 in here to use my big boy, which is so sad. My acetylene torches, use them more often than I probably care to admit. And there is my engine hoist, which I use. It is technically a shop grain, and that's what I use it for. And this little heater is a lifesaver in the wintertime. Don't let anybody tell you different. Alright guys, that concludes our shop tour. If there's anything you have any questions about, don't fret, send me a message, drop a comment down below, that really help. Remember, subscribe, send to you everything that I've been reading. It's all about subscribing, little notification bell. I promise you, material is coming. It's going to be very useful. Just hang with us and we'll get this done. All right, until next week, y'all have a blessed one.